Come on, ladies! It's party all night! Yeah! Talagang nag-blush si ate. What is your name? Shiny! Anong feeling na ikaw ang pinamana sa sakin? Okay, what can you say sa sakin ni Ian? Okay, Bansha, you're out. 5 ladies on the run. Here we go. Music, please. DJ, give me dollars for music. Come on, here we go. Guys! Just feel like it. Iyan ka naman sa buwan. Parang nag-wardrobe manufacture. Okay. Buwa-buwa ng pangalan. Raja, ang feeling na ikaw nakakulang sa akin.
Thank you.
Thank you. You're out. Bye, Raja. Kamay sa likod. Iyan. Kamay sa likod. Okay?
Grabe!
Close. The banana. DJ. Use it up. What's your name? Red. What can you say sa sabi ni Ian? Okay. Anong describe mo sa sabi niya? Ako or kamay?
Sakto. Ay, may ganyan ko.
Kabalis yung taas.
Enjoy siya, oh.
Here we go, PJ! Music, please! Turn it up. Come on, turn out Anong pangalan? Oh, yes! What's your Elisha, what's the feeling that you've caught the banana right now?
Very, very happy.
What can you say to this banana?
Banana juice.
Ano gusto mong banana? Juice or ducks?
That's not
Bye, Elisha! Thank you so much, dear. We don't need the banana anymore kasi we're heading down to the final round. Instead, nasasin na ito kailangan.
Ala!
Ang inyong huhulihin ang itlog ni Ian. Whoever catches his head will be out of the game.